stop outthinking it. God, if God bless you with a woman of God named Tanita Hampton, guess what? Amen. You need to use her. That's what she's here for. Amen. She's not here just to make herself rich. Amen. And make herself wealthy. Because we all know that when God put us in position, it's not just for us.
That's right now.
It's not just for us. And that's another thing a lot of people can't be successful because they want to be rich for who?
Themselves.
And why would God bless you just for you? He won't do that. Whatever vision God gave you, He gave it to you with other people in mind, not just you in mind. And so whenever you get your heart right, like she said, but a lot of people don't have $1 million, their character ain't right. You know? And so if you want to get to that next level in life, then your character gotta be right. Amen. Whatever gift that you're using can't just be used just because of you. Because it gotta be blessed with someone else. It's not one moment I thought God gave me a story, just me only a story.
Come on.
If He gave me a story and gave me the knowledge to know how to publish my story and tell the world about it, why would I keep that from other people who want to become an author?
Amen.
If God showed me how to open up a tow truck business and a bus business and a juice bar, He didn't just give me that skill and that knowledge just for me just to have it all to myself and go sit somewhere in a corner and say, oh, it's mine, I'm the richest person in the world. Right. No, God gave me those gifts because He wants me to share it. I'm sure there's some people who want to write a book. Raise your hand if you want to write a book. If you got a story that you want to tell. Raise your hand if you got a business that you want to birth. And it's about you. And it's not just about you. You know, you got to make sure that whatever you're doing is just not about you, my friends. And always remember, if you want to know what your purpose in life is, and I'm going to say this, I'm going to sit down. Everybody's purpose is to be fruitful and multiply. Amen. That's it. If you can just figure those two things out, what's the seed that's on the inside of me that I can multiply? And when you start doing that, you will be successful. Because what do you do for fruit? You go to the market, you go looking for your fruit, right? Amen. You go looking for your fruit. So when you become so valuable and you are the fruit, guess what's going to happen? People are going to begin to look for you. They're going to travel from all over the world to come see what your fruit. They're going to want to pull from your tree. They're going to want to eat from your tree. That's right. But if you're not bearing anything, you have nothing to work with. You don't have nothing to work with, and you're going to eventually wither and die and miss out on your purpose. And if you think that that's the biggest way to bust hell wide open, is to be living and never do anything what God gave you. So all right? And so give a round of applause again for me. Thank you guys for having me. I appreciate it.